Kaspa is one of the few coins that I expect is going to continue pushing higher and take us to new all-time highs. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the roadmap that I expect Kaspa to follow to take us to new all-time highs, and above all, discuss the short-term key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, from the lows we made back in 2023, we saw these aggressive bounce taking us to new all-time highs above the 0.21 in a move that completed the formation of these impulsive edit wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of these larger wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using these red target area that lies between the 0.1 and the 0.05487 mark, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there's a very high chance that the low is in the formation of this second wave, and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave, and on so doing I get a minimum target area for the wave 3, and that lies on the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.37186, and that will be my first minimum target area. And if that target area is hit, then Kaspa will be able to put in place a new all-time high, and based on the current prices that we have at the moment, then Kaspa will be able to do more than a 4x to the upside. Then we can expect a pullback in the formation of this wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And that is my long-term expectation here on the Kaspa chart. Jumping to the 4-hour chart, I have a key area of resistance that I'm watching for a break above, that lies between the 0.11681 and the 0.05987, which is the blue target area over here. And that is an area that I came up with after getting a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.13199, where you can see that in this 5-wave structure, we put in place a low below the 0.061, and having seen a 5-wave structure to the downside, then we should expect a 3-wave bounce in the next coming days, and you can see that that is the case that we can see over here, having that as the wave A bounce, then a pullback in a wave B, and this could easily turn out to be the formation of this wave C. And this 3-wave structure over here can only get invalidated in case we break out of these blue key area of resistance to the upper side, and that is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the highs we made in the formation of that first wave to the low of that wave 5. And this means that there are two possible scenarios that can play out here on the Kaspa chart on the short term, and the first one is that we can continue pushing higher and maybe at some point break out of these blue target area to the upper side, and the moment that plays out, then that will be in favor of what I am expecting on the daily chart in the formation of this wave 3 that should take us to new all-time highs. Alternatively, in case we get rejected within this area over here, there's a very high chance that we can easily get a bit of a short-term pullback, maybe to the golden pocket on the Fibonacci's, where we can make a higher low, find support, and then get another bounce back to the upside, breaking above key areas of resistances and continue pushing higher, which will still be in favor of that bullish count in the formation of this wave 3 on the daily chart. But if by any chance we get a pullback and maybe at some point we lose support on the golden pocket and continue pushing further down, then there's a very high chance that we can get another 5-wave structure, which can easily give us a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April, and on the worst case scenario, also give us an invalidation of this structure that I have here on the weekly chart, where I'm expecting a new all-time high in the formation of that wave 3. So those are the key scenarios that I am observing here on the Kaspa chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and that will ensure you stay up to date.